Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you Spotify versus Apple Music, which is better. So let's get started. So the first category that we will be comparing these two is in terms of user experience. And for the Apple Music, I think it's light and clean interface consistent with Apple's design philosophy, and it's also integrated with iOS, macOS. So it's providing a more native app feel. While in Spotify, you basically get a dark theme with a minimalist design and intuitive navigation with easy to access to playlists, albums, and personalized content. So, with this one, I think I will be going for the Apple Music in terms of user experience because I have used both the mobile version and the PC version both for Spotify and Apple Music, and it just feels home in Apple Music with its interface, with its design compared to Spotify, where I think it's kind of heavier in a sense. So yeah, just based on my preference, I think I'll just go with Apple Music. But of course, that is completely up to you on your preference. And now for the sound quality, Apple Music provides 24-bit 192 kHz spatial audio with Dolby Atmos, while Spotify offers hi-fi music, but it's still not released yet up to this date. It has been promised quite a long time ago, but still not released up to this date. So if you are here for the sound quality, I recommend that you go for Apple Music. And now let's move on to the discovery feature. So here in Apple Music, I think it's quite decent with its discovery feature. It suggests you songs depending on what you play. But with Spotify, I think there is just something magical with their algorithm right here. Because when I listen to a song here and it would suggest me some songs and it would just hit me on the right spot, like this is the song that I was hoping to find next. So yeah, it's just so magical that Spotify would recommend me really good songs right here with its discovery feature, like some playlist and so on right here. So I think in the Spotify would have the upper hand right here. And now let's move on to the integration. So I think Apple Music is integrated quite well with the iOS device, but when it comes to the PC, the Windows, or any other device, it's just not so good compared to Spotify. Is that it might not be able to compete with the seamless integration of Apple Music to iOS device, but it is more versatile because it can connect to any other device, even if you're in Mac, iOS, or whatsoever. So I think with that reason, I think I'm gonna go for Spotify. And also, when you want to import songs into Apple Music, is that you would need a computer to do it. While in Spotify, you could just put it in a folder on your phone and then boom, you're done. So that is very easy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give this category to Spotify. So now let's move on to the pricing. So Apple Music doesn't offer a free plan compared to Spotify. I think that is their main difference. So here in Spotify, you can have the free plan where you can listen to songs but with ads for free. You don't have to pay anything. And in talking about the price range, I think it's basically the same thing. It doesn't have that much difference. So as you can see, the student plan for Apple Music is 75 pesos, and I think that is around $1.5 when converted to USD. So here in Spotify, you also have the student for 75 right here. So as you can see, it's basically the same thing right here. So 75 for 2 months for the first 2 months, and then 75 per month after. So yeah, as you can see, when you compare the plans right here, it basically almost has the same prices right here with Apple Music. And the only difference again is that Spotify Premium has the free plan available for you with ads, while Apple Music only has the free 1 month free trial, and then you can't use it for free without paying for anything right here. So that is basically it on the pricing. So in terms of pricing, I think I'll go with Spotify just because it has the free plan, which is more convenient to the users. So, but that is basically this. And now for the conclusion, it's very simple. If you are here for the user experience and the sound quality and you don't need a free plan, then you should go for Apple Music. But if you are here for the integration and the discovery features and also you want a free plan so you don't have to pay anything, then you should go to Spotify. So that is basically it on this video. I hope I help you decide on which one is better. Thank you for watching.